Hi and welcome to Wrexham Volkswagen. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel so you never miss a video. My name is Shannon and today I will be giving you a tour around this Volkswagen approved used Golf SE Nav, which is a 1.5 litre petrol manual finished in a deep black pale paint. This is an additional option on this car. It does also come with a 2-year Volkswagen warranty as well as 2 years roadside assistance. So if you'd like to find out more information, then please give us a call on 01978 340 600. So today I will be giving you a 360-degree walk around both the car's exterior and interior. Then I'll jump inside and I'll go in further details on the interior features. So firstly, starting at the front, this Golf features your LED daytime running lights, really illuminating the roads ahead during the darker hours, making you more visible to other road users. Next, taking you around, we have these 15-inch alloy wheels making a statement on this Golf. They really do complement the exterior finish. Moving up, we do have your electric folding door mirrors, providing additional safety for your vehicle when parked down narrow streets. And then as you can see, this Golf is a 3-door model. And then pan around to the back, you'll notice we do have your sensors. You also have these on the front. This will ensure parking is incredibly easy. And then showing you quick boot highlights. So as you can see, we do have a variable floor. We have enough room to cater for your daily needs, such as your weekly shopping trips. You could easily fit in a couple of suitcases. And then the rear seats do also fold down if you ever did require some additional space. This Golf has had 2 owners from new and has covered 24,127 miles. Showing your glance inside the front interior, we are equipped with your leather multifunction steering wheel followed by your front seats, featuring lumbar support, offering you a more safe and comfortable position to travel in. And then to access the back seats, so you just simply pull the lever and push the seat forward on either of the front seats. This will allow your 3 rear passengers to step inside the back. So that does conclude a 360-degree walk around. So in the next part of the video, I'll jump inside and I'll go in further details on the interior features and technologies. So jumping inside the car, you will find your electric mirror window adjustments and your central locking inside the driver's door. Your automatic lights just to the right of the wheel, and then moving on to your multifunction steering wheel. So here we can access some of the car's features without removing our hands. This does include your adaptive cruise control. This will make motorway driving that bit more relaxing as it allows you to take your feet off the pedals. Then using the controls on the right side of the wheel, you can customise what you want to see in your digital dash display screen that's in the centre of your instrument cluster. So this is where you find all your key driver information and settings. Next, moving on to your infotainment system. So here we can access a wide range of features that are available on this Golf. So this is touchscreen. We have your shortcut buttons down either side. So firstly, going into your radio, so you do have access to your DAB, FM and AM radio. You can save your favourite stations to your preset lists. And then going into media, you'll see we do have an aux input available as well as your Bluetooth, so you can pair your phone to the car to listen to your own music. You can also make hands-free calls nice and safely. As this is an SE Nav, we do have your satellite navigation, so this provides you with a 3D map to help you plan your routes as well as providing you with the quickest ones. Or you do also have your app connection, so you can pair your phone to the car to stream your music, maps, contacts and messages. When popping the car into reverse, your parking sensors will appear on the screen. These will also give off an audio warning. This will prevent you from damaging your new vehicle. Another great benefit on this car is your driving mode selection. So this offers you 4 preset options to choose your driving style, which is designed to enhance your experience further. Moving down, you'll find your manual air conditioning system. That's an easy reach by both yourself and your front passenger. Just below the other storage compartment where you'll find a USB and an aux port for your media devices. As you can see, we have your 6-speed manual gearbox. This is followed by electronic park brake with auto hold for added ease for the driver. You have a 12-volt socket. And then we do also have some handy cup holder storage as well as some additional storage space underneath your armrest. So thank you for watching this video in this Volkswagen approved used Golf, which does include a 2-year warranty as well as 2 years roadside assistance, along with additional benefits and flexible finance packages available. For a personalised finance quote or to book a test drive, please contact us now on 01978 340 600.